JME is JME is ready.
JME is ready.
Yeah, you heard it. JME is ready. I have not flown this thing in a long time. I'm just waiting for it, because this is the one where you have to bind the controller to the Wi-Fi, not the drone. So it's a little bit different than most of your stuff that you have out there. Then it'll go up and spin around. There it did it. Now it says I only have 62% of the battery, but it's probably starting to discharge by now. I was mucking around with it. I was going to fly it last week, but I didn't get a chance to, so you know, that's the way it goes, right? So yeah, it still flies. Yeah. A little shot of the office building. Yeah, still flying good, man. Let's see, what are we? 84 meters, 12 satellites. Let's see if that gimbal. What? Uh-oh, it's starting to act really weird up there. It's not that windy. A little bit of wind, nothing major. It seems like it wants to veer off to the side when you're flying it, but you know what? It may have always done that for all I know. You know, I mean, I don't remember flying this thing that much, to be honest with you. So yeah, it's still working. I don't think I'll sell it now. I'll probably just wind up pitching it. You know, unfortunately, you know, there is a life expectancy to these drones. You know, they don't last forever, okay? Once the batteries get discontinued and the drones get discontinued and the batteries, then after so many cycles, the batteries start to crap out and then you can't get batteries. So basically the things are garbage. So you can just throw them away. I've thrown a bunch of drones away in the last month, believe me. Tossed them right in the garbage because the batteries were no good. Tossed the, I can't even tell, all my bebops, threw them in the garbage. All the batteries went bad. All my Autel robotics. The, you know, the big one that looked like the Phantom. The X-Star Premium, threw that in the garbage. Yeah, you can't get the batteries. They're impossible to get. And then they're already 6 years old. You know, this thing here is from 2016. So, you know, sometimes you just got to bite the bullet. Got all this junk sitting around. All right, guys, there you go. JME is ready. Got 40% battery still, so it's still hanging. Let me cut the video. Yeah, it's still flying good. It dances a little bit. I mean, but I mean, that's just the way it is, you know. It's the ladybug. That's what I think I used to call it, the ladybug. Yeah, it did catch some breezes up there. It was acting a little goofy, so. Oh well. Let's land it up. Okay, so it still works. Okay, so there you go. JME is ready. All right, guys. Have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later.
That's all, folks.